Hello everyone! Today, I am going to show you how to make the best banana bread recipe ever. This recipe is very easy to make and is perfect for breakfast or as a snack. So let's get started. Ingredients: 1 ripe banana, 3 eggs, 1/2 cup milk, 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1/2 tsp baking powder, 1/2 tsp baking soda, 1/2 tsp salt, 1 tsp honey, 1 piece unsalted butter, melted. Instructions: preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. 2. Peel and chop the banana and add it to a bowl. 3. In the same bowl, mash the banana with a fork. 4. Add the eggs, milk, flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt to the banana mixture. 5. Mix everything together until it forms a dough. 6. Add melted butter to the dough and mix it until it's well incorporated. 7. Pour the batter into a greased loaf pan. 8. Bake the banana bread in the preheated oven for 50 to 60 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center of the bread comes out clean. 9. Let the bread cool in the pan for 10 minutes before slicing and serving. Voila! You have the best banana bread recipe ever. This bread is very moist and delicious, and it's perfect for any time of the day. Thank you for watching, and I hope you give this recipe a try.